Do you know where your food comes from? In Wales, we have lots of farms farming sheep, cows, and a few pigs to make the meat you eat. Let's go on a journey from farm to food. Wales is a beautiful country with plenty of fields and lovely countryside with lots and lots of farms. It also rains here a lot. The rain and some occasional sunshine make the green grass grow. Welsh farms have lots of rich, delicious grass. Who finds this grass irresistibly delicious? Our cows and sheep, of course. They eat and graze on the grass. Farmers work very hard to produce lots of delicious, healthy and natural food for us to eat. They work all year round because the animals need looking after whatever the weather. Sun, rain, hail or snow. Many of the farms in Wales are family farms, with parents, grandparents and children all helping and working together. Let's take a closer look at some of the animals you can find on Welsh farms. There are lots of sheep in Wales. The mother sheep is called an ewe, and she gives birth to lambs in springtime. Farmers are very busy during spring. Most of the lambs are born in the field, but the farmer is always on hand night and day to keep a close eye in case there are any problems. This is called lambing season. Cows that are farmed for meat are called cattle. Cattle have plenty of room to live outdoors in the fields for most of the year. In winter, the farmer brings them into big cow sheds and feeds dried grass called hay and silage. Some farms keep pigs too. A group of pigs are called a herd. Pigs love to snuffle about in our lovely Welsh mud. All the animals get a tag on their ear with a special and unique number, just like a number plate on a car. This means we know where the animals have been throughout their lives. The welfare of the animals is important to farmers. All the animals are well looked after on the farm, with lots of room to graze and plenty of grass or hay to eat, and water to drink. Animal care is a really important part of farming, and Welsh farmers are really good at it. Do you remember that we told you that it rains a lot in Wales? Well, we put our rainwater to good use by collecting it and using it for the animals. The animals also help keeping the soil healthy by eating the grass, roaming the fields, and their poo adds nutrients back into the soil. All of this is good for the other wildlife that also live on our farms, like bees, birds, butterflies, and other insects. Eventually, the animals have grown big enough and they are sold and made into food. Cattle are made into things like burgers and steak, lambs into chops, and pigs are made into bacon and sausages. The meat will find its way to your local butcher or supermarket shelves, or even to another food factory to be used as ingredients for food like pies, ready meals, and other foods. In Wales, we ensure the journey from farm to food is good for everyone along the way, including the farmers, the animals, and for the environment which we all live in. Bringing you local and tasty Welsh meat for your dinner.